If you're trying to join voice chat on the servers in Roblox, here's how to do it step by step. First of all, open the Roblox app on your mobile device or desktop and make sure you're logged into your account. Then, go to the game page that supports voice chat on the servers. Not all games have this feature, so make sure the game you choose actually allows voice chat. Now, scroll all the way down and tap on servers. After that, you will see a list of available servers. Look for the ones labeled voice chat only. These are the servers where you can talk to other players using voice. Then, tap or click on the server you want to join. But before you do, make sure your Roblox settings allow voice chat, otherwise you won't be able to talk. And once you join, you will be in the server with voice chat enabled. Some servers might ask for age verification or phone or email verification to use voice chat, so be sure to complete that if prompted. Without it, you might not be able to talk even if you join the server. And if you don't see any voice chat servers or your account doesn't have voice chat enabled yet, try checking if your Roblox app is updated to the latest version. Also, some features might not show up on a new account, so make sure your account meets all the requirements. And that's how you join voice chat on the servers in Roblox. Follow these steps and you will be able to play, chat and hang out with friends or other players in no time. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.